the ultimate juice for body weakness. Feel stronger, naturally. Feeling tired and worn out, no matter how much you rest. It's a struggle many of us face. But what if I told you there's a quick, tasty fix to help you feel stronger and more energized naturally? Today, I'm sharing a super easy juice recipe that can work wonders for body weakness. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. This juice is packed with ingredients that have powerful health benefits to boost your energy and keep you feeling great all day. You can make it at home with just a few simple ingredients. Let me break it down for you. 2 ingredients. Spinach. Alright, first up is spinach. Now, I know it might not sound exciting, but spinach is a powerhouse for energy. It's packed with iron, a mineral your body needs to make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin helps your blood carry oxygen, and without enough iron, you can feel tired and weak. Spinach also contains magnesium, which helps reduce muscle cramps and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Carrots. Carrots aren't just for your eyesight, they're full of beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in your body. This vitamin helps protect your cells and keeps your immune system strong. And the antioxidants in carrots work to reduce inflammation in the body, so you're not wasting energy fighting off fatigue. Beetroot. This one's our secret ingredient. Beetroot is amazing for energy because it's full of nitrates, which help improve blood flow. Better blood flow means more oxygen to your muscles, so you're going to feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Beetroot also has potassium, which is crucial for muscle function and preventing that sluggish, tired feeling. Apple. Adding apple gives this juice a little natural sweetness, but it's more than that. Apples contain vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that help you stay energized by keeping your blood sugar stable. Unlike sugary drinks that make you crash, apples give you a gentle energy lift that lasts longer. Lemon. We're adding a squeeze of lemon for some extra vitamin C. Not only does vitamin C help with iron absorption, but it also keeps your immune system strong, which is crucial if you're feeling weak. Plus, lemon is super refreshing and adds a zesty flavor to the juice. Ginger. Lastly, ginger. This spicy root has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve muscle soreness and improve blood circulation. Ginger also helps digestion, so you get more nutrients from the foods you eat, helping you feel more energized overall. 3. Making the juice. Just toss all these ingredients into a juicer or blender, and you're done. Pour it into a glass, give it a good stir, and you've got a natural energy booster ready to go. 4. More benefits of drinking this juice regularly. Not only will you feel more energetic, but drinking this juice daily has some long-term perks too. It can help with reducing fatigue. The iron and nitrates boost oxygen flow in the body, which fights off that tired feeling. Better immunity. Thanks to the vitamin C from the lemon and apple, you're supporting your immune system daily. Enhanced skin health. The antioxidants in carrots and beets keep your skin glowing and healthy. Improved digestion. The ginger and fiber from apples support good digestion, so you feel less bloated and more comfortable. And that's it, a simple, nutrient-packed juice to help fight weakness and boost your energy naturally. Try having this every morning, and you'll start feeling a difference in just a few days. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on boosting your health naturally. Here's to feeling stronger every day.